You talk about an ideal first-time homebuyer plan. This is the Devin from True Homes. We're out in Greenbrier, everybody, which is Waxhaw, and this has vinyl siding, which is one of the reasons that they're able to come in so cost-effective on this plan. You come in, and by the way, they got these hard surface floors all the way through. They look good. Looks like the vinyl product. But you got a dining room up front with a couple of generous windows, and that goes right through. I love it when there's a pass-through like this right into the kitchen. So there's a pantry there. And again, it's the wide open concept floor plan. But if you notice the amount of living space that you get in this Devin, the way that my clients have configured it, it's pretty doggone amazing. Man, I love the light cabinets. And of course the granite is beautiful. But notice how this opens up. Now we're getting close to a final walkthrough today, orientation, but this is what everybody wants. Now, if you want to spend 400 grand, 500 grand, I can help you with that. But if you want a first-time home buyer home and you'd like to be in the Waxhaw area, I don't think it gets any better than this from True Homes. So you do want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. Let me be your buyer's agent. My services are free to you, and I do love helping first-time home buyers. Now, first of all, ding, ding, ding. Look at how big this porch. It's a covered patio, guys. And notice that this buyer picked a great lot, and they're going to have some big, fat, juicy southern fun there with their kids, playing out there without a house breathing down their neck in the back. So now you've seen what is a lot of the first level. And what we want to do is we want to take a look. Man, that's a big island. We're going to go upstairs in just a second, but let's just take a look at some of these back rooms. Garage there to your left, and they opted for a little folding table. I love that in the laundry room. And then, as most people want, having such a room on the main level. This one is just equipped beautifully. And again, most of your bedrooms are up. You got a sink, you've got a shower, which is smart, and then you've got a full-blown closet. So this is a great space. This is a big room. Honestly, that has just got a lot of depth or length to it, depending on how you look at it. And let's just run upstairs. And one of the reasons this is a great family plan, because you've never ever have to move if you live there. Why is that? Because hey, that bedroom on the main level gives you so many options otherwise. So again, this one's just coming in just under 2,400 square feet. Now look at this. Tell me that ain't a great family room, a playroom, a media room, a bonus room. Got a bedroom right here. Love that, with a closet facing out to the front with a window in it. I do love that. Now, some of the options you can get, you can turn this typically into balusters, but that's quite an expense. So that bedroom up there, we've got this bedroom here, which again is good size. And that one's got nice view out to the rear. This is the Devin, D-E-V-I-N, True Homes. And again, we're on location out in Waxhaw at Greenbrier. They have sections that do feature hardy plank on them. And this one's price effectiveness is really locked into the fact that there's vinyl siding as well. So this room, this was an option. And I think for this young family to build this was nothing short of brilliant, because this is a cost-effective way to squeeze so much square footage out of this house. So you can say the architectural elements due to the roof lines being followed there, beautiful. So you've got really, although there's no closet, that really feels like another bedroom. So you've got really two bonus room spaces, 2 bedrooms and a bath, master down. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.